Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Bloodstained Ritual of the Night game error. The UE4-BloodstainedRotN game has crashed and will close. Fatal error on PC. So here follow the fixes. First fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Epic Games. Right click on this three dot next to Bloodstained Ritual of the Night game and then click on manage and then toggle on the launch options, then type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the manage and this time in the launch options type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the manage and remove the launch options, toggle off the launch option and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to delete or uninstall the mode. Now if you are using any kind of mode, then delete them or uninstall them and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to delete Bloodstained Ritual of the Night save data. Now you will lose all the save game progress as well as saved setting. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, then open app data folder. Now if you don't see this app data folder over here, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items, then open app data folder, then open local folder and then right click on BloodstainedRotN folder, copy it, go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder first, and then right click on it and then click on delete to delete it, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search for Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection and then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Bloodstained folder and then select this Bloodstained ROTN exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open the Bloodstained ROTN folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder and then select this Bloodstained ROTN Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall and then click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games, open Bloodstained folder and then select Bloodstained ROTN exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open Bloodstained ROTN folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select Bloodstained ROTN Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark, then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Next fix is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you are having Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links is provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it. Then launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you are on this NVIDIA website, scroll down and enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install them. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click on OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue Then select custom advanced option. So check mark custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to run the game from the game installation folder, or try running the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to the game and then click on manage. And next to installation, click on this folder icon and it will open the game installation folder. Now double click on this Bloodstained.ROTN exe file and check if that works or not. If not, then right click on it and then select run as administrator and then check. If it's still not working, then open this Bloodstained.ROTN folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder and then double click this and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If that also doesn't work, then from here select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from here select Windows 8 again, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick these three boxes from the compatibility tab and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next fix is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app. Then go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Bloodstained folder, and then open Bloodstained.ROTN folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, and then select Bloodstained.ROTN Win64 zipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, Bloodstained Ritual of the Night. Expand it and next to the GPU preference, select the high performance option and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now next fix is to verify the game file. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to the game and then click on manage and then click on verify next to the verify files. And after the 100% of the verification of the files has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you are on this website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restarts, then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to disable overlay. So if you're using Discord, then open Discord and then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on the game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse, or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up the RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. fix certain, this is the last solution. If none of the solution work for you, then simply uninstall the Bloodstained Ritual of the Night game from your PC and then restart your PC once and then reinstall the game to C drive or SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way you can easily solve Bloodstained Ritual of the Night game. The UE4-BloodstainedRotN game has crashed and will close. Fatal error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.